me to break it up for you? Okay. It's easier, it won't.
What the heck is that?
It'll smear better whenever it's moving.
Gosh darn it!
Strike 3.
It's not working. Okay.
Strike 4.
Yeah, I know. And that's how you do one shot, except without all the strikes. That's just not cool.
Okay.
Now this is what he's gonna do. He's gonna do this other half.
I got hit with a big chunk.
Get it well for the craft. What they? Alright. Oh, and he's on my streak.